How to track your business performance in one place. Let's explore CRM analytics in Universell. First, log into your Universell dashboard. From the left menu, click on CRM, then open the CRM Analytics tab. Here you'll see key insights like sales revenue, total customers, and average order value, giving you a quick snapshot of your business performance. Dive deeper with customer segments. Identify VIP customers, top spenders, value buyers, frequent customers, recent customers, low spenders, low value buyers, inactive customers, custom. Track your appointments, including upcoming and completed ones. You can also monitor tickets to manage customer support efficiently. Analyze your marketing by selecting a specific date range or campaign. View performance metrics and understand what's driving results. Select any date or campaign to get a deeper understanding of your data. With CRM analytics in Universell, smarter decisions start with better insights. Start tracking and growing your business today.